Good. Let's now have a look at exercise 3.3 and following exercises. 3.3 was a true or false question. You can see the solutions over here. I'll quickly have a look at it with you, and if I'm going too fast, if you have any questions, just ask me later or pause the video and check your answers. The first statement was true. The second statement was false. Half of the kids with ADHD were diagnosed at the age of 6. You could find the solution to that question in line 11. Statement C was also false. It is scientifically proven that ADHD medication is harmful for children. That is not scientifically proven. And you could find the information for that in paragraph 4, where they tell you it seems or undoubtedly it will have an effect. Those words point to the fact that it is most likely the case, but it is not scientifically proven. Question D is also false. It is ironic but logical, since he has a background in endurance sports. So not ironic, sorry, but logical. And E is true. Okay, let's now have a look at the rest. In 3.4, we needed to explain, first of all, a tomboy. A tomboy is a girl behaving like a boy. And to helicopter parent is a verb, and it means to overprotect your child, to hang over your child like a helicopter all the time, checking what they're doing and making sure that they don't get hurt. B, have a look at the solutions here. You could find those solutions in line 50. Practicing a musical instrument, being creative, playing in the real world, interacting and observing hand and eye movement. C, the negative effects of the brain on sitting still. You could find the solution to that in line 61. Your brain will shrink and the different hemispheres will not be connected properly. The different hemispheres are basically different parts or segments of your brain. Give 3 more positive outcomes besides healthy brain development: improved social skills, reduced obesity, and improved hand-eye coordination. Good. In the next exercise, you needed to read the article about Amy Winehouse and then derive the meaning of the words which are underlined from the context. Let's have a look at the first one: to pass away or to die. To reek of alcohol means to smell of alcohol. To fetch means to go and get something. To clutch a collection of family photographs means to hold. To slur your words means to speak unclearly. Number 6, intoxicated or drunk. Number 7, an inquest or an investigation. Number 8, fundraising means collecting money. The proceeds of something are the profits, the opbrengst. And to donate in number 10 means to give. Good. Now the questions about the song which you probably all know. If you don't, it's maybe not such a bad idea to listen to it on YouTube again, and then just follow the text in your book. The first question: one might say that the song is ominous in that it seems to foreshadow Amy's tragic death. What does that mean? Her dad and the record label wanted her to go to a clinic to get treatment for her addiction, but she refused. She says in the text, they tried to make me go to rehab, but I said no, and that eventually led to her tragic death. So in that case, the song foreshadows her death, means the song voorspelt op een of andere manier dat ze gaat sterven. Ray Charles and Donny Hathaway are famous blues and jazz musicians. What does she mean in stanza 1? She says she would rather listen to Ray Charles at home, and Donny Hathaway taught her more than school. That's what she says over here. I'd rather be at home with Ray. And the reference to Donny, let me just look that up. The reference to Donny Hathaway is over here, that I can't learn from Mr. Hathaway. Okay, let's look at question C. How does she say alcohol didn't make her any smarter? She says, I didn't get a lot in class, but it didn't come in a shot glass. Who is the man in the second stanza? Over here, the man said, that is probably the psychiatrist from the rehab center. Does the song give clues as to why she's drinking? Yes, I'm gonna lose my baby, she says, and I just need a friend. She's afraid her lover will leave her, she feels lonely. And the last question, the album that features the song is called Back to Black. Can you explain the title? Black in this case may refer to feeling depressed, feeling blue, and back to black means a return to those kind of feelings. So if you haven't listened to the song yet, listen to it on YouTube, and that will also help you to understand the meaning of the song. If the questions are too difficult, or if there's something else that you don't understand, always ask me later.